Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the channel. So in my today's video I am going to explain modals. So let's get start our today's topic. First we will study about modals. So modals are a type of auxiliary verb that express various degrees of possibilities. Modals play an important role in indicating the speaker's attention. There are various different types of modals which we will study in the upcoming slides. So the first type is may. May expresses possibility, permission, and a polite request. For example, if I say, you may go to the party if you finish your homework. So here I am giving you a permission. The important point for may is that when the possibility is above 50%, then you can use may. The second type is might. So might is also the same as may, but it shows some uncertainty. Like for example, if the possibility is below 50%, then you can use might. Now look at the example. It might rain later. Now here this example show less possibility of raining. The next one is can. So this modal verb expresses ability, capability or possibility. It indicates that something is physically or mentally achievable. Now this modal verb shows us that you can achieve something physically or mentally. For example, she can swim. This means she has the ability to swim. She can achieve that goal. The next one is could. Could is simply the past tense form of can. Like could talks about past ability, possibility, or to make a polite request. For example, when I was younger, I could run faster. Now, this example means that you had the ability to run faster in the past. Simply saying that could is the past form of can. The next one is must. Must expresses necessity, strong obligation, or a logical conclusion. Like it shows you strong commitment or responsibility. For example, you must wear a seatbelt in the car. This means wearing a seatbelt is necessity or obligatory. Now it's a strong responsibility to you. The next one is have to. Have to is also similar to must, which also expresses necessity or obligation, but it can be slightly less strong. Like for example, if you say, I have to finish my assignment by tomorrow. This means there is a requirement to complete the assignment by tomorrow. Now there is no strong obligation of completing the assignment. The next one is should. Should indicates advice, suggestion, or a mild obligation. Like by using should, we give a suggestion to the next person. For example, if we say, you should eat more vegetables. Now it's a suggestion to the next person that eating more vegetables will make you healthy. The next one is ought to. Now ought to is also similar to should, but ought to is more stronger than should. Like in strong suggestion, you can use ought to. For example, you ought to apologize for your behavior. Now it's a strong suggestion to the next person that apologizing for your behavior is the right thing to do. The next one is will. Will expresses future actions, prediction, or promises. For example, if we say, I will call you later. Now, here this indicates a future action of calling. The next one is would. Would is often used to express polite requests, offers, and hypothetical situations. Now, would shows us a polite request or offer. Like, for example, if we say, would you like some tea? Now, it is a polite way of asking someone to have some tea. The next one and the last one is shall. Shall is used to express suggestion, offer, or future actions. Shall is used for asking something from someone in a polite way or in a formal tone. For example, if we say, shall we go for a walk? Now it's a more formal way of asking someone to go for a walk rather than let's go for a walk. So guys, this was all about our today's topic. Hope so you guys got everything from it. If you are having any question, ask in the comment section. If you guys like the video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself and Allah Hafiz.